Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Here we are at TMC at 181 East Towson Street, and we're looking at two products that I got from Whole Foods today. The brand is called Lesser Evil. So that is one. This is a Paleo Puff, a grain-free Paleo Puff with organic coconut oil. This is honey roasted, so this will be sweet. This is vegetarian, does not say vegan. Now, if it's vegan, they usually tell you. All right, so the other one here is egg white curls, also grain-free. And of course, if this is egg whites, this is not vegetarian or vegan. So this is just what we have. They have one more option than I saw. It was popcorn, but they had a deal, 2 for $6. Hey, that's a good deal. I'm going to get this. All right, so let's see what I'm gonna get here. All right, I'm gonna try the egg white curls first. They have avocado oil, pink Himalayan sea salt. There's a guy on the front. What's the 6 grams of protein per serving? How many per each? So there are 4 servings per container. So inside this 4-ounce bag, so it's an ounce per. And if you want to take a look back here, this is the nutrition information. You want to pause, it's right there. All right, so we are going to take a try of the egg white curls today. So this is this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of look like, I don't know if you've ever been to Taco Bell. They have the cinnamon twists. They don't have like the puff that I kind of expected. And especially, they honestly look more puffy out here. But anyway, let's try. This is the egg white curls with avocado oil and Himalayan pink sea salt. Okay. It has that kind of aftertaste that some like cheesy poof or cheesy curls or cheesy ball products have. You can get from Utz or Cheetos or any of them. It has a little bit of that, but a little bit drier than most because it's not like extremely puffy. If you want to take a look here, this is Puff itself. It's really squiggly. It does look like a cinnamon twist from Taco Bell, but it does have like kind of like a puffed up flavor, but not as much as like puffy Cheetos or something. The flavor is good. One thing, if I was eating this, I would have to have some kind of water, some kind of drink with this, because after 2 of these, it's not drying me out. Actually, I feel like it kind of is drying me out a little bit more than Cheetos would. Cheetos I can have with a sandwich, and maybe the drink is optional. But for this, it's a little bit dry. Gotta say, it's a little bit dry. Let's see how much salt is here. 250 milligrams of salt per serving. So per serving is 11%. If you eat the entire bag, it's 44%, but I'm not sure. Maybe you will eat the entire bag if you're at a party or something. But 250 milligrams of salt per 1 ounce is kind of high for me. All right, so here, responsibly sourced. Let's see if I can read through the camera. Cage-free avocado oil, dippable, non-GMO, and certified paleo, and not fried. All right, so not fried. All right, so we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna try the sweet ones here. This is the grain-free Paleo Puffs with organic coconut oil. This is honey roasted. This is gonna be the sweet one, and this looks curl. So those are curls, these are puffs. So these ones should be a little bit more puffy than the others, and they are. Let's take a look inside the bag. They may look the same here, but when I show you this here, they are definitely, like, that's the poof. That's like the little Cheeto curl poof. Feels a little bit denser though. So this is honey roasted, so it's gonna be sweet. Okay. Again, has that little bit of dryness, but the sweetness, as opposed to the salt, it allows me to immediately have another one here. Like, just the way that I taste it, this sweeter variation is definitely I do like this more. Kind of reminds me of like honey roasted peanuts or cashews or almonds or anything like that. This one I am immediately a fan for, maybe because It's breakfast time and I want sweets. Let's see how much sugar this has. All right, by the way, 85 milligrams of sodium per container. Now there are 5 servings per container here, and this is 5 ounces. So again, it's 1 ounce per serving. But sugars, 3 grams of sugar. Okay, not terrible. Includes 2 grams of added sugars and under 1 gram of protein. All right, I do like the flavor of this more. I could see myself eating this as a sweet snack. The other one, I mean, it's dippable, so maybe I'm not giving it like the prime example that I should, but it just tastes a little bit dry. It feels like it's trying to be a puff, but it's not getting there. But yeah, it just feels a little bit dry. That definitely, if you had something to dip this in, maybe a salsa, maybe something else, it could be better. If I had to go between both of these, now remember there is a popcorn option, which I didn't get, because popcorn usually is great. I love all types of popcorn, smart popcorn, popcorn that goes in the microwave, movie theater popcorn, popcorn with no salt or butter. I'm fine with any of it, so I didn't want to try that. I decided these two, but I would go with the sweet one first. I would go with this. Maybe I'll try it with a soft drink or water or something, or maybe dipping it in something. Okay. So this has been Matt for Creative, and we've been taking a look at Lesser Evil and 2 of their products, the grain-free Paleo Puff and the grain-free Egg White Curl. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. If you would like me to review any type of product, let me know, see if I get my hands on it. If you have a company and you want me to review your product, email me or DM me on Instagram. Easiest way to get in contact with me. Alright guys, but if you do have any questions about this stuff, put in the comment section below. Subscribe helps always, and like this video, that helps also too. But thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time.